Do you know how fast the world is moving forward and you might not even realize it? Namaste, friends. Welcome to another explosive video where we talk about things that will shake up your mind. Today's topic is so big that you'll be amazed and might even rethink your career plans. Yes, we're going to discuss 15 jobs that will thrive in the future. These are the jobs that will rule the world in the coming years. So, if you're wondering what to do in the future or what new skills to learn, this video is for you. And yes, this is Scivibe Global, where we bring you an awesome combo of science, tech, and the future. So, without further delay, let's get started. Friends, tell me one thing. How many times have you heard that technology has taken someone's job, or that AI and robots will eat up our jobs? But that's completely wrong. The truth is, technology doesn't just replace old jobs, it also creates new and better ones. And today, we're going to tell you about 15 jobs that will become so big in the next 10, 20 years that the world won't be able to function without them. Curious, right? Hold on, because this list will change the way you think. Now, don't think these jobs are only for engineers or scientists. There's something for everyone. Creative people, tech lovers, or those who want to make the world a better place. So, let's dive in and look at these 15 jobs one by one and understand how you can build a career in them. Number 1, AI ethics consultants. Friends, AI is everywhere now, from your phone to your car. But what happens when AI starts making wrong decisions, or if someone's data gets misused? That's where AI ethics consultants come in. They ensure that AI is safe, fair, and ethical. And guess what? This job is in such high demand that companies are paying millions for it. Imagine if you love the combo of philosophy and tech, this is perfect for you. Exciting, isn't it? The next job is even more interesting, so stay tuned. Number 2, space tourism operator. Yes, friends, going to space is no longer just a sci-fi movie, it's reality. People like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are making space tourism the next big thing, and for that, we'll need operators to plan space trips, ensure safety, and give tourists an unforgettable experience. Imagine saying to someone one day, "Welcome to the moon." How cool would that be? This job is for creative and adventurous people. Start building skills in space science or hospitality now and become a space tour guide in the future. How? Did you like the first 2 jobs? Are you wondering what else is on the list? Wait a bit, because the upcoming jobs will shock you even more. Oh, and tell me, which job did you find the most interesting so far? Let us know in the comment box, because we at Scivibe Global love hearing from you. Number 3, urban farming specialists. Friends, as the population grows, food production is becoming a big problem, but new technologies like vertical farming and hydroponics are solving this issue. Urban farming specialists will build high-tech farms in cities and produce fresh food. This job is perfect if you're passionate about the environment, tech, or farming. And yes, this job will be in such high demand globally that you can work anywhere. From New York to USA, number 4, virtual reality content creator. Imagine a job where you can create an entire world, a virtual world. VR is now used everywhere, from gaming and entertainment to education and therapy. Content creators who design VR worlds will be the superstars of the future. If you love gaming, animation, or storytelling, this job is for you. And the salary? It starts in the lakhs and can go up to crores with talent. Are you dreaming of building a VR world too? Number 5, cybersecurity analyst for IoT. Internet of Things, or IoT. Your fridge, car, or even your home's lock is connected to the internet. But these devices can be hacked. Cybersecurity analysts ensure these devices stay safe. This job is for tech lovers who are great at coding and problem solving, and the demand? With IoT devices growing every year, this job is a goldmine in the future. Imagine saving the world's devices from hackers. How cool is that? We've covered 5 jobs so far, but 10 more are still to come. And the upcoming jobs are so unique and exciting that you can't even imagine. There's one job that might turn your childhood dreams into reality. Curious? Then keep watching till the end, because at Scivibe Global, we always bring something different and mind-blowing. Number 6. Human-AI Collaboration Trainer. Friends, AI is smart, but it needs to learn how to work with humans. These trainers teach AI how to sync with human emotions, creativity, or decisions. This job is perfect if you love both psychology and tech. And yes, this job is in such high demand globally that companies are looking for top talent. Imagine being the bridge between. Number 7. Climate Change Reversal Specialist. Climate change is no longer a small problem, and to fight it, we need specialists who work on new technologies like carbon capture or geoengineering. This job is for those who want to save the world. If you love science, the environment, or innovation, this career can make you a hero. And yes, this job will be one of the most respected globally. Number 8. Drone Traffic Controller. Imagine a future where drones are delivering everything, from Amazon packages to your pizza. But managing these drones isn't easy. Drone traffic controllers will set traffic rules in the skies and ensure everything stays safe. This job is perfect for people with tech and management skills. And yes, this job has already started, so start building skills now. Number 9. Personalized Education Designer. In the future, every student will have a customized education plan, and these designers will create those plans using AI and data. This job is for people interested in both teaching and tech. Imagine helping every child achieve their dreams. This job will create a huge impact globally, especially in countries like the USA and India. Number 10. Augmented Reality Therapist. Mental health is a big issue now, and AR therapists will use augmented reality to treat fears, anxiety, or PTSD. This job is a unique combo of psychology and tech. If you love helping people, this career will give you immense satisfaction. And yes, this job will be in high demand in the future. Wow, friends! How did you like the first 10 jobs? But hold on, because 5 more jobs are still left, and they're so unique that you'll be shocked. There's one job that might turn your hobbies into a career. Can you guess what it is? Keep watching till the end because this list is about to get even more exciting. Number 11. Genetic Editing Specialist. Friends, CRISPR and gene editing are no longer sci-fi, they're reality. These specialists edit genes to eliminate diseases or improve crops. This job is for biology and tech lovers. And yes, this job will be in such high demand globally that you can work anywhere in the world. Imagine helping to eradicate diseases, like cancer. Number 12. Smart City Planner. Future cities will be smart, with self-driving cars, IoT, and sustainable buildings. Smart city planners will design these cities. This job is perfect for architects, engineers, and urban planners. And yes, this job has huge scope in places like the USA, Dubai, or Singapore. Imagine shaping the future of an entire city. Number 13. Blockchain Security Expert. Cryptocurrency and blockchain are everywhere now, but their security is a big issue. These experts protect blockchain networks from hackers. If you love coding and cybersecurity, this job is for you. And the salary? It can go up to crores because crypto has a huge future. Number 14. Elderly Care Robotic Specialist. As the population ages, elderly care is becoming a big challenge. These specialists design robots to help the elderly, from giving medicines to providing companionship. This job is a mix of robotics and healthcare. If you love caring for people, this job will give you a lot of satisfaction. And finally, number 15. Metaverse Architect. The metaverse has just begun, but it's the internet of the future. Metaverse architects design virtual worlds, games, and economies. This job is for creative and tech-savvy people. Imagine building a world where people can live, work, and have fun. This job is the biggest game changer of the future. So friends, that was our list. 15 jobs that will thrive in the future. How did you like this video? Which job did you find the most interesting? And which one would you like to try? Let us know in the comment box. And yes, if you want to keep watching such mind-blowing videos, subscribe to Scivibe Global now, hit the bell icon, and get ready for new, future-ready ideas every week. See you in the next video. Until then, Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep vibing with Scivibe Global.